Can a bottle cap be inspiring? Or 10? Or 10,000? Of course! In late spring 2017, Tallinn turned into one giant art room. Thanks to 4 artists who made 4 wonderful works of art inspired by bottle caps and the new Saku Antwerk Hops Lemonade for adults. We covered the whole creation process in social media and invited everybody to reuse bottle caps. For that purpose, we taught how to make new and exciting things out of bottle caps easily, be it a desk lamp, fridge magnet, mirror on the wall, or a coffee table instead. The ideas of DIY and reuse were carried on by recycled cardboard materials at sales points, handmade social media posts, and a 100% handmade web banner. It is a pleasure to see that people care about art and masterpiece products, because sales targets for 2017 were exceeded by 150% already in 6 months. So yes, one cap can make a difference.